someday I'll go up that hill. Cause I've gone up that hill. It's a hot big ass hill. And I got lost too, that's why I didn't go back. Then I'm gonna get lost everywhere I fucking go. Why would I want to go to some busted ass? At least make it look good. You're trying to catch up with me. Ooh, sport bike, give him the peace sign. What's up, brother? Something just fucking nutted on my wind visor. Same thing. Is it a bug? Something yellow. It's probably just pollen. Pothole. Not so much of a pothole. Yo, homie's on the fucking attack. You see that fucking crow? Oh, that is nice. Y'all living large. Hello, ma'am. Hello, sir. Y'all just outside, just loving the weather. What is up, sister? Gotta wave at them a little bit, say thank you. Some people just know you're trying to move. Yo, there's so many accidents in this corner. Those signs are new. Those roadblocks are new. Me going over double the speed limit is not new. Please don't, bro. Slow down. You scare the shit out of me when you come up to a stop sign at Mach 8. Nice little day for a picnic. Ooh, that's a fucking hole in the ground. I hate when I pass by like teenagers and they're like, "Put it up." Like, no way, I'm not. What? I'll learn how to do wheelies when y'all get me to like 5K. July 2024, bro. And you're just getting off easy. You know, talking to yourself is really weird. Because I know I should treat it like I'm talking to people, but I'm not. And it just feels really weird. Whoops, my bad. That shit just popped. No clue what the camera's seeing today. No, that's gonna be green for a million years. Nope. There we go. Thank God for LEDs showing you exactly when you're in neutral, because I would never know. Because sometimes switching upwards into neutral feels like switching upwards in a second. Sometimes you're in third gear when you come to a stop. You just go right in a second. You're like, oh, whoops. Oh my Lord. What? And now he's gonna speed away because he knows he's in the wrong. Me too. Yeah, you would turn. Hey, turn with him. Man. At least, like, throw something at his car. Give me content, bro. Come on.